the new Elderberry and Storm Blue Sport Loop, and Elderberry Sport Band. They're $49 at Apple and is available for all Apple Watch sizes. Today we're unboxing them in as many angles as possible, so you see if they work for you or not. Give this a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. Let's go. Storm Blue. I thought they were done with sport loops, but they reinvented them yet again with new designs. There seems to be an infinite variety of ways to design it. It has a little bit of lighter and darker blue stripes weaved in, as well as some dark and light beige. That white rail actually blends in with it and gives it a neutral touch. I like it. What do you think? It still works with a matching iPhone case, but with a bit of texture. Here it is with a gold Apple Watch, bringing out the warm hues. Elderberry. Elderberry seemed to be more interesting and vibrant on the website, but a little more subtle in person. I still like it. Elderberry is a fun mix of bright, light, and dark colors. It's a little more vibrant on the website, but still has that personality in person. It's just not as vibrant from a further distance. Slightly more subtle in person, but still fun. Altogether, it's still nice how dark and light colors blend as a midtone. Here it is with a gold Apple Watch. Elderberry Sport Band. It seems to be the only solid purple watch band this season, aside from the Elderberry Sport Loop, which as we've seen has different colors on it. It's a dark option I hear people comparing to Plum, but a lot less warm and a bit darker. Here it is next to Dark Cherry Leather Link from last year. And compared to Plum Solo Loop. I'll probably make a styling video of it later, but for now I could tell it's a dark color and isn't vibrant, so it's really easy to match. And almost looks black from a distance. Which one did you like the most? Comment below. This season's Sport Loops have different colors, but they all look simple and more solid from a distance, which I think is an interesting change. Of course, it's all about how you experience it up close. I hope this helped. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more.